So Pedialyte is by far one of the best electrolyte drinks on the planet, and Gatorade really has the electrolyte drink industry monopolized. But I'm just gonna read you some of the facts. 12 ounces of this that has 35 calories, 370 milligrams of sodium, 280 milligrams of potassium. It's got 7 grams of total sugar. It's got a little bit of chloride, a little bit of selenium, and a little bit of zinc. So a lot of good electrolytes in it, in addition to some sugar. Not a lot of sugar, just a little bit of sugar. And sugar, in addition to these electrolytes, is one of the best ways to actually replenish and rehydrate your body. And the funny thing about this is Pedialyte is recommended, you see on the front of this, recommended #1 pharmacist and pediatrician brand for hydration. So I actually reached out to Abbott. Abbott is the creator of these. I reached out to Abbott a long time ago and said they could easily increase sales of this stuff because it has so much better electrolyte ratios and just overall better quality stuff than Gatorade. If they just remarketed this a tiny bit and maybe even had just like an athlete version or an everyday person version, it could literally be the exact same formula, but just having different types of marketing for this. They could change the packaging a little bit. Again, it doesn't need to be crazy. I actually reached out to Abbott about helping them with some of their social media a little bit earlier in the year. And unfortunately, with kind of smaller people, it doesn't come too much, but this stuff is way better than Gatorade. The pricing is almost the same. It's probably a little bit more, but you got to keep in mind you're paying for more nutrients. So Gatorade only has I think 120 milligrams of sodium and 35 milligrams of potassium. And it's got a lot of sugar in it, a lot of extra sugar. This is way more balanced, much better ratio in my opinion, and why it is a better option for you. So again, if you have the option between Gatorade and Pedialyte, 100% I'd recommend Pedialyte all day, every day. Will hydrate you much better.